Keto diet benefits. As of late, the keto diet has gotten amazingly famous for its medical advantages, for example, weight reduction and forestalling ailment. The keto diet can be enormously beneficial, yet how can it work to give these advantages? What is the keto diet? You may have known about the high-protein, low-sugar Atkins diet. The keto diet keeps starch levels low, however, as opposed to sloping up the measure of protein in your eating regimen, the keto diet expands the measure of fat. A regular keto diet focuses on dinners with 75% fat, 20% protein, and 5% sugar. Eating a high-fat eating routine can, in any case, mean practicing good eating habits. Keto diet menu things frequently incorporate fish, meat, dairy items, eggs, vegetables, and nuts. With the expanded prevalence of the keto diet, keto plans are broadly accessible. How does the keto diet work? It may appear to be illogical that adding progressively fat to your eating regimen can prompt weight reduction. Typically, your eating routine is high in starches, which are separated into glucose, or glucose, for use as vitality. As glucose enters your circulatory system, your body discharges insulin to store overabundance glucose as fat. The more sugars, the more glucose. The more glucose, the more insulin, and the more insulin, the more fat. The keto diet exploits the way that when your dinners are high fat and low sugar, there is no insulin spike, and you don't add to your fat stores. Rather, fat from diet and put away fat are separated to ketones. Keto is another way to say ketogenic, creating ketones. Like glucose, ketones can be utilized for vitality, keeping your body running without expanding glucose or putting on abundance fat. The advantages of the keto diet can be immense. Weight reduction. Generally, the keto diet is a magnificent method to consume fat and get in shape. Eating less starches stifles hunger, and studies have indicated that keto diet members eat less calories generally along these lines. Consuming fat for vitality can prompt quick weight reduction. Decreased blood sugar and insulin. Since starch admission is constrained, glucose and insulin levels are brought down. This is especially significant for individuals with type 2 diabetes, which causes a development of glucose in the circulatory system. The keto diet can be utilized to decrease or dispense with the requirement for diabetic insulin infusions. Diminished triglycerides. Fat subunit particles called triglycerides regularly flow in your circulatory system. Elevated levels of triglycerides are a critical hazard factor in the improvement of coronary illness. In the keto diet, since fat is being scorched for vitality, the quantity of triglyceride particles in the circulation system diminishes, decreasing the danger of coronary illness. Improved cholesterol. Terrible LDL cholesterol is another hazard factor for coronary illness. An excess of terrible cholesterol in your circulatory system develops in your courses, narrowing them and causing atherosclerosis, a kind of coronary illness. The keto diet diminishes terrible cholesterol levels while expanding the degree of good HDL cholesterol in your body. Outline. The keto diet gives numerous medical advantages. This eating routine can help you rapidly get more fit, yet can likewise improve your general well-being and help forestall malady. Thank you for watching. You can grab your best keto diet plan by clicking the link in the description below.